What's up, guys? What's good? It's AlphaBlue here, and you're welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome, guys. So, guys, let's jump on the chart and see what has been going on in the market. I'm currently on EURUSD, and we're about to do the usual EURUSD technical analysis. And we're also going to be looking at GBPUSD. So, guys, it has really been an interesting week so far. Today is Friday, actually, the end of the week, 12th day of January. And then let's see what has been happening. Now, this chart is very, very interesting because I see it playing out the way I've been anticipating it to play out. I actually took 3 trades this week. And by the way, if you want to take trades with me, if you want to see all the trades I take, then you should check out the description of this video. You'll find a link to my Telegram channel. So there you can join my Telegram community, guys. So I took 3 trades this week. I had 2 losses and 1 winner. So this was the winner I had. The losses was as a result of me trying to long EURUSD around this point here. But then I got into this long, but then I didn't hold this till final TP. I took my profit at around midpoints around this place here. When I saw the market coming back, it was almost gonna hit my SL in profit. So I just decided to take it out at around 50% to my TP. So this is EURUSD on the 4-hour time frame. Now, before now, I predicted that we're gonna see price come up here, take out this week, and then sell off. You know, for a very long time right now, EURUSD has been in an uptrend, right? As you can see here, it has been in an uptrend. But then getting to this point, we saw this very strong bearish move down here that served this low, right? But look at this imbalance here. Look at this imbalance here. So this is one of the reasons why I feel we may likely see a correction back to this point before price continues to rally to the upside, before we continue the bullish move. So this imbalance, this is like another block, or you can see a demand zone where we could potentially see a reversal to continue the bullish trend on EURUSD. So now, another interesting thing for you to see is that there are actually many chart patterns that are playing out here. And this is not like some retail bullshit that you would think. Just give what I'm saying a chance. So this is, what do you see here? This is like a bearish, channel. This is a channel that will likely break out to the downside. So this is the bearish move. We get this channel, and then we're likely going to see a breakout to the downside. Aside from this chart pattern you can see here, another chart pattern that is forming is the head and shoulder. So this is the shoulder, this is the head, then this is the right shoulder. So, and again, we actually took out this week, even though it wasn't really like a very massive sweep. It was just a very little sweep, but then it still took out the week, right? As you can see, this was the week, and we took it out, even though it wasn't much. So right now, liquidity has been swept. The buy side liquidity here has been taken out. Like liquidity at the upside here has been taken out. So where do you think price is going to head to next? It's down, of course. So this is why I am bearish on EURUSD going into next week. I actually have a position running on GBPUSD, and I've actually been like monitoring GBPUSD more because it kind of aligns better. If you've watched some of my previous videos, there was a video I made saying if you trade only one pair, especially EURUSD, you should stop that and start looking at other correlated pairs like GBPUSD or AUDUSD. In my own case, I look at only GBPUSD. So I look at both of them, EURUSD, GBPUSD. Some of the time, they both do similar stuff, they both move like they are directly correlated, so they move in similar ways. So some of the time, GBP/USD will have a very clean textbook setup. Meanwhile, on EURUSD, it's not all that clean. It's kind of messy. You're not really comfortable with what you're seeing. You get, so I usually compare the two, and then I pick the setup that is more clear. So I've actually been monitoring GBP/USD to take this sell to the downside, and I'm already on a position on GBP/USD, and I'm going to show you right now. So this is GBP/USD. Let's allow the chart to look. Exactly. So this is GBP/USD, and I have been screaming that this pair should go down, but it took a very long time for price to come back and sweep this liquidity here. It took a very long time, like annoyingly long, very annoying. So now we've been having like higher highs. Anytime price takes out the high, we get like a bearish correction to the downside. So it took this high, we got this bearish move. It then came and formed equal lows here, engineered liquidity here, came back up, took out this high again, and then came down. You know, usually when you will want to sell is when it takes out the high, sweeps the liquidity or the high, and then gives a change of character, right? Even though in this case, I labeled here as my change of character because this is the low that gave the sweep of the liquidity right here. This is the low that gave the sweep of the liquidity. So I got the change of character here. But another interesting thing to look at is how price has just been forming like exact equal lows to the teeth, like very, very precise. You can see here, 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 and here. So what is going on here? Like, what the fuck is happening right here? So I see this as a point where price will want to come and grab liquidity, or price will want to take out, right? So I've been very keen to sell GBPUSD for a very long time because I feel we have a very big imbalance here, and then we have all of this liquidity lying here. So what I was waiting for was for price to come back and sweep this, take out this internal liquidity here, and then sell off from the supply zone. That was exactly what I've been waiting for. But this took so long to happen, right? Price came all the way here the other day, almost as if it was going to sweep here. And then we got this sell-off. When I saw this sell-off, I wasn't interested in selling because I knew liquidity has not been taken yet. I knew liquidity has not been taken yet. So I wasn't keen to sell. I just waited patiently for to see what price would do. Price came back, came close again, came and took out this low, and then now we got a proper sweep of liquidity at this point. At this point right here, we got a proper sweep of liquidity. So when I saw that, okay, this liquidity has been taken, it has, entered this fair value gap a bit, I now started looking to sell. So I went to the 1 hour time frame. I went to the 1 hour time frame. Immediately I saw this strong bearish candle, close. I put my entry around this week right here on this, this indecision candle. This candle that looks like an indecision candle. Excuse me. So I put my entry there and my stop loss, I just put it above. I actually got lucky because price came back and took out this high again. But then I didn't take my stop loss. So this is the position I'm currently holding. This is the position I'm currently holding. And I'm actually planning to hold this going into next week. I'll hold it through the weekend, and then let's see how it goes. My take profit is going to be here. My take profit is going to be here. So I just want to hold this and see. There are actually many places that one can target to take profit. One is this low. Another place is this equal lows. I may even take my profit here, but then this is like the ultimate place because I feel price will actually sell off and come into this other block before we begin to see any bullish move. So this is the idea. There are actually a lot of things that can push price down here. This is about 216 pips, right? GBPUSD can move this 216 pips in 2 days. It actually depends on what red events we have going into next week and how the market reacts to those red events. But this is the trade idea. This is the trade setup. Let's see how it goes. It's pretty simple. It's very, very straightforward and clear. And I hope you got the whole idea. So I'm just going to hold my trade. My stop loss is where it is. I'm not going to change anything yet until we see price take out this low. Then I can move my stop loss to break even. And then we'll wait to see what price will do. So guys, I hope you got value from this breakdown. I hope you got value from this analysis. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.